Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. We are back with the brand new Airaux AA ER1 Bluetooth headphones. Airaux is a dedicated high-end sub-brand of Blitzwolf. These headphones do retail under £17, that's around 22 in US dollars from the Banggood website. And because we recently reviewed the Airaux AA HE1 earphones, which were rather impressive, we thought we would take a look at these ER1s today. So, inside the box, first of all, everything comes very well packaged and protected. We have a micro USB charge cable. No Type-C I'm afraid. There is a dual 3.5mm audio cable. So yes, you can both use these headphones in wireless and wired mode too. You do have a typical user manual, and moving back we have the Airaux AA ER1s themselves, which have a folded design that feel really light. In fact, weighing around 201 grams, that actually look real nice. Let's go ahead and take this protective wrapping off, and as you can see, we have that Airaux brand to the top of the headband. The driver unit arms are indeed expandable that have good adjustment for any size head. They are indeed very flexible, but I wouldn't want to flex them out too much to be honest, and I just love those shiny vinyl looking side caps, and somewhere around the outer edge of those vinyl discs, we have some RGB lighting, which we will get into real soon. To the right side, well, there's no left or right icons, so I guess that this is the right side with all the function buttons. So, starting from the top, we have the power button, which also acts as your play, pause, call answering button too. You have the previous and next track selections, which again act as your volume up and down buttons. We have a multifunction button below that to enable you to switch between a TF card and Bluetooth mode. And that card will be inserted within that TF memory card slot just below that button. So yes, you don't need no connectivity, you can play songs off a memory card. Unfortunately, you won't have any shuffle mode, and all songs will play in order. There is our Bluetooth indicator light, which we do have the latest Bluetooth 5.0 chip built into these headphones, and we also have that 3.5mm port for wired connection, as well as the micro USB charge port right next to it. Now with the headband padding, it does feel rather hollow and quite thin for my liking. But with those driver units, well, we do have some very soft memory protein earmuffs, with the 40mm drivers sitting just behind that have a graphene diaphragm. These headphones do have a closed back design. Let's turn them on. And well, the first thing I notice is that the power on voice is very distant. But I must say, instantly those RGB lights, they light right up. Now this lighting is automatic, glowing in multiple colours, and I'm afraid that this can't be set to one particular colour. You can however turn that lighting off by pressing and holding the volume up and the volume down button for 6 seconds, repeating that same process to turn them back on. As you can see, the Bluetooth light is flashing blue and red to indicate pairing. And well, pairing is very easy. Turn Bluetooth on your device, select AA ER1, and within 3 seconds you should have a pairing request. Click OK, and you should be connected within seconds, then having access on your device to the headphone's battery remaining level, which we have, 100%. So these headphones come fully charged. That's great! Trying these ER1s on, they actually felt quite snug upon my head. They didn't have much pressure on my ears whatsoever, staying very secure in fact, with an initial sign of good sound isolation. I wouldn't say that these are over-the-ear headphones, and that is because they sit on the outer edge of my ears. When it actually comes to the audio though, all the levels right away seem very much well balanced. Bass is real good without being too over the top, drowning out all the other tones. So the high tones too are not bad, quite good in fact. And although the audio is a tad bit low for my liking, that was somewhat shortly resolved by using my mobile phone audio custom settings. But yes, it was tweaked to my personal profile. After that, the audio quality had more of a punch. Mids are fantastic, never once overpowering all the other tones like some cheap budget headphones like to do, with very crisp audio and pin drop lows. A very good example of a well set up headset that has brilliant sound isolation too, not hearing anything from around my surroundings once music was playing. The function buttons were easily accessible, pressing once on the volume up and down to increase or decrease that level, holding those same buttons for a second to skip tracks, while tapping on the power button pauses and resumes music playback, holding that same power button to refuse calls, and when tapping it twice, it will call back the most recent call you've had. With the supplied dual 3.5mm wide connection, audio quality remained the same, although audio level was noticeably lower. You can also connect that headset with that supplied cable to a PS4, but I'll stop you there. Unfortunately, the cable has no microphone, so you won't be able to use it for chatting. The actual microphone built into the headset itself is good for making calls through your mobile phone. Can you hear me? With no delay and clear crisp voice pickup. With that 300mAh battery though, I did get 7 hours 25 minutes of the lighting on with, yes, 100% volume being used. So as mentioned, it is very close to that 8 hours mark which was specified. Now, not only could you achieve that 8 hours by lowering the volume, but if you turn those RGB lights off, you will most likely get way past 15 hours use, again using 100% volume. The Bluetooth distance was rather impressive, getting way past 13 meters before that signal cut off, and overall I think that Blitzwolf Airaux have pulled out another winning headset. Alright, they are not too over the top with that audio volume, but as decent headphones go, being that these are in a budget price range, well, these headphones never felt uncomfortable, only ever making my ears feel sweaty after 4 hours use. And well, this is where I come to my rating today. So rating this Airaux out of my usual rating out of 10. For looks, I've got to give a 9 out of 10. They're decent looking, they're not too over the top, not too much in your face. For comfortability, I've got to give, again, another 9 out of 10. Although the headband, as mentioned, was rather thin and hollow. Connectivity though, I'm going to give a full 10 out of 10 with no random disconnections whatsoever. Audio quality was very decent, a full 9 out of 10 for the audio quality. I do just wish there was a tad bit louder. And with the functions, once again, I'm going to give 9 out of 10 for great accessibility, not having to take these headphones off to look where the buttons are situated. So yes, a practical, good sounding set of headphones that look real nice and that are very, very affordable. So yes guys, I hope this review helped today. I will try to leave a link in the video description down below. You can go and check that should you wish. And if you like what you see, well, go get yours. And while you're there guys in that video description, why not please smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe to this channel today, making sure yes that you click that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. This was a fun video to do today, and I will be doing some more headphone and earphone reviews in the next coming weeks, so stay tuned for them videos. So I hope to see you guys soon, stay safe, and well, peace!